lots of math this morning, and hopefully a lot of those scales will be tipping this weekend as a result of the monsoon moisture we're anticipating, along with obviously a little assistance from Hurricane Hilary. The latest update from the National Hurricane Center still has it as a Category 4 storm with winds sustained at 130 miles per hour, but the latest track has it going a little farther to the east now, which is rather interesting. So here's a look at the latest outlook, and you can see the well-defined eye still there. Now, as far as the track, here is the latest. Notice how it's expected to weaken still as it moves to the north, eventually becoming a Category 2 storm later on tonight with sustained winds at 100 miles per hour. And then as we progress through the rest of Saturday night into Sunday, you see it making landfall on the Baja as a tropical storm with winds sustained at 70 miles per hour. But remember yesterday, some of the particular models in the forecast tracks had it favoring a landfall right along the border with California. Now it's inching it a little more to the east. That being said, we're still talking about a big-time flood event potentially there in parts of California and Nevada, too, as the storm continues to move to the north and northeast, or anticipated to anyway. So here's a look at the flood watches in effect. They extend all the way from California to here in Arizona, Nevada, Utah, and up as far north as Idaho and even Oregon, with the potential, obviously, for significant rainfall, historic rainfall in many parts of the Southwest. And we also have, for the first time ever, the National Hurricane Center issuing tropical storm warnings for Southern California, from San Diego all the way to Los Angeles and near Palm Springs. So the concern here, obviously, is tropical storm force winds, along with that possibility of very, very heavy rain. Now, speaking of rain, here's a look at futurecast for the rest of your Saturday using the University of Arizona model. And you see the chance for primarily decent rainfall across western Arizona first, and even in southeastern Arizona by 5 in the afternoon today. We're stopping it at 7, and you see the chance for a few isolated strong storms as you head to areas across the Southeast Valley, all with Pinal County and Gila County too. And more of the rain still generally confined across western Arizona throughout the evening. And again, later on tonight at 9 o'clock, you see the chance for spotty storms here and there from the valley and to the south and west too. A little more active by 11 o'clock tonight, so it does appear the best shot for storms across the Phoenix metro area and elsewhere will be late tonight into early Sunday morning. Then we get a little lull, and we see the chance for more storms throughout the evening and into the overnight hours Sunday leading up to Monday. So how much rain are we forecasting? Well, notice the brighter colors are generally confined to Southern California, where we could see several inches of rain through at least Monday. In fact, our forecast for areas to the west is anywhere from 2 to 4 inches in Mojave County, 1 to 3 as you head toward areas near Yuma, 3 to 6 as you head toward the Imperial Valley, with a few spots seeing potentially higher than that. But in the valley, we're forecasting anywhere from 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch, with a few spots potentially seeing a little more than that. The other concern, besides the rain and flood potential, is the wind we're anticipating as a result of the wind field with Hurricane Hilary. There are wind advisories that will take effect beginning tomorrow at 11 o'clock for southwestern Arizona, including right around Gila Bend all the way to Yuma, where gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour cannot be ruled out. We could see a few gusts here across the metro as well, even today as a result of the monsoon storms. But then tomorrow, you see the wind field really expanding to the south and west. And even here in the valley, too, we could see wind speeds around 20 miles per hour, gusting up to 30, even 35 at times. So we're going to keep the breezes in the forecast today and tomorrow with the chance for storms anywhere from 50 to 60% through your weekend. And then we just see a few isolated storm opportunities next week, with those temperatures eventually bouncing back into highs well above 100 degrees.
No 110s in the forecast. We will take it. We're back with so much more for you on the other side of the break. Stay close, Arizona. We'll see you in 2.